How's this working? Let me go check my stream. Why am I streaming in on 480p? Someone explain to me why I'm streaming in 480p. I have 5K bitrate. I don't know if you guys can read my files either. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Okay, we can go up to 1080p 60. That's good. Oh, let's go. 1080p 60 is here. Okay, finally. You can choose 1080p 60. That's great. Okay. That's good to know. Because like the last stream I did it on 480p. That was so dumb. That was my bad. So today we'll be writing down and doing some exercises for C programming and understanding how to do things around here. So it sounds pretty easy, but like it's not. So because I haven't learned C. I mean, I did learn C++ and it's pretty much the same thing, but like still it's been so long since I like actually did C coding, so gonna be a little too much for me, but you know what, we're gonna do it because we are amazing, aren't we? Okay. Okay. Now that we have advertised the stream, let's get back into it. Hello, what's up? What's up, Misam? How you doing? How you doing, boo? Thank you for the follow. Misam Rizvi, you're amazing. How to catch it? Okay. I'm gonna be using my source file today to do all kind of coding, and let's pull out our terminal. Let's keep it on desktop. Alright, so let's go ahead and open our Visual Studio as well. This is my old program for calculating radius of a circle. I kind of have to get an idea of how to return two values and use them because I keep using them as in like Python code, It's kind of dumb. Okay, it's small that I don't want it to like zoom into my face. Okay, so first of all, I think I'm gonna learn how to modify this code. Let's go back. Let's. Oh, come on, man. No, it's reopen closed. I'm a dumbass. Stop, eToro. No one cares about you. Oh my god. eToro is everywhere. God, this is super annoying. Heard about this? We need to learn about pointers. Pointers is cool. Skip ad. Alright. Hey bro, what up? What up, baby? What's up? We're gonna do like some C code. If you're into that shit. Pointer. Stores address of n in pointer variable. Address of n variable. Oh, I see. Like percentage x is the for address of a variable. So it's the pointer. Okay. Address stored in pointer variable and access the value using the pointer. Oh, so this does the pointer. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, there's a thing I want to try, which was I was doing this with another person, and it's good. It's good. Make sure you all like the stream, please. I would appreciate it. This is the input. Yep, I know this. Format specifiers. Oh, yep. Okay, there we go. We have some format specifiers. We have float. Okay. C for characters. S for string. Okay. U for unsigned. That's weird. Long int format specifier. I wonder will be using. Hey, what's up, Karen? How you doing? How you doing? Man गया मेरा भाई तो engineer. Is wrong, sir. Oh my god. Flowchart, wow. EG. This is one of the most easiest freaking. Okay, you know what? Flowchart ever. It's a nested if else. I'm pretty sure this is out of my. What does nest mean? Nested if else will play an important role. It means you can use conditional statements inside another conditions. If x equal to if y. I mean, that makes sense. That's what nest means. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, I thought it was something advanced and I was dumb. Acting like I'm dumb. Okay. Alright. Okay. We'll be using that a lot, obviously, because that's one of the most important aspects. Else if statements. I have something to try with this, actually. I am very curious on what to do about it. Like, should make one more file. Where's my terminal? CD. Okay, let's make a. What do we call it? Let's call it practice 2. Let's call it 1. We already have practice. Then we're gonna go .c. Let's make that. Okay. Let's go back. And I think if I open this, yep, there we go. Alright, we opened it. We don't want this here. Alright. Let's make. Obviously, we need to include first. Hashtag include. My god, I'm so dumb. stdio.h. Alright. Then we'll include st. Okay, it's right here. Alright. Then we'll start our program. Okay, so we made our basic. Let's just write return 0 here as well. Okay, so we made our basic format, our practice. Let's go ahead and change this up a bit. Ouch, my hand hurts. What the hell? It's a pretty dumb console, I'm not gonna lie. See, what is this? What the fuck is that shit? That makes no sense. What the hell, man? Okay. We can do this, we can do this. Alright, so let's go over here. This is a really good statement. This is almost like a function. This works almost like a function. This is like goes to other things. So if I call this right here, go to G, it will go ahead and search for the label name, and then it'll do whatever is inside of it. That's pretty cool. Else go to S. Yeah, that's amazing. I should use this more often. That's sick. Is my voice audible, by the way? Can everyone hear me? Mashallah, yes. Thank you, bro. Switch variable case 1 execute your code break. Case and execute your code break. Alright, okay. Yes, that's good. Let's go. Let's try. Let's look for some exercises. C language exercises. That's interesting. Let's see what apps we have. Do we have like an app for our own use? Like I wanna use it for drawing on it or something like that. Like a paint or something, you know what I mean? Pretty sure we can get one over here somewhere. Come on. What is this? Oh, is it a game? Like, I think it's a game. Guys, I'm new to Linux. Don't judge me, I'm still having a hard type. What is this? What is this? I don't get it. I think it's a photo editor or something. I don't want that. This is super weird, man. Screenshot. Okay. Take screenshot, grab the whole screen, grab the current window. Don't sound. Grab after delay of some seconds. We can do that as well. That's cool. We could use like take the screenshot of the code and use it, but we don't need it right now. Cancel. Okay. Let's go ahead and actually get this a little more simpler approach. Let's start with int main and let's take values. Alright, so if I'm correct, we need to write a program to get the absolute difference between n and 51. N is greater than 51, return triple the absolute difference. What? What do you say? What do you say, bro? What does the absolute difference mean? Let me go check this shit out. No, I want to check the answer, not this. There's a solution. Bro. This is annoying. Just made me go to the editor, which I didn't want to do. Okay, see the solution. Okay, so it takes an basically constant x equal to 51. Okay, x equal to 51. If n is greater than x, return n minus x times 3. Okay, why did they say absolute difference? That's so weird. Who says absolute difference? This is super. That's super weird. You know what I mean? Like, imagine going and like, yes, I want you to find an absolute difference between 5 and 3. What? Like, that's just straight weird. Like, what the fuck? Okay, so we could make a function for it. Obviously, I think that's what they did here, to be honest. Yeah, they did make a function, but we'll go ahead and make our own function. Great, boy, what about you? I'm doing great too. Doing amazing. Today I had the best day ever. Felt like I had no work, nothing. Everything was just smooth as hell. Like, you know what I mean? What are you making? I am gonna learn something about like C programming. I'll be making like, I'll be doing questions and everything, so I have questions over here. Assalamu alaikum. Gee. Okay, let's write a C program. थोड़ी देर में खाता हूँ. Write a C program to check whether a given temperature is less than 0 and the other is greater than 100. I think these are true and false statements. So that's only one great day today. Yep, exactly. That's what I'm talking about, right? Like, oh, amazing. Like, I'm just chilling, you know what I mean? Like, never felt that in a quite a long time. Let's keep this somewhere around here because okay, I'm sorry about that, guys. Alright, we could keep this on the sides. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Write C program to check two given integers. Oh, wait, where is the one we were gonna do? Okay, you know what? Let's do this one. Write a C program to check whether a given in positive number is a multiple 3 or a multiple of 7. Okay, fine. We can do that, right? That's pretty easy. We just write a program saying, okay, go on and give me a number. Why am I writing this? I have like 80. I just randomly type. I'm dumb. So wait, hold on. Let's think about this a little. Let's take printf, and then we'll be like, yo, listen, give me a number, and we will check if it's a multiple of 3 or 7. Right? And then we just have that. Let's go ahead and add a new line as well because I don't wanna /n. Oh wait, wrong place. /n, and then we'll go ahead and scanf. We'll say what value are we gonna get? Probably gonna be an integer, right? Yeah, it's probably gonna be an integer. I forgot to claim that I'm making an integer, so we take num1. Let's make num2 just in case. You know what I mean? We can use this anywhere. Let's go %d. Then let's take num1, right? So once that's done, well, let me go ahead and check if I added yeah, there we go. Gotta be careful about that. Then now he will say okay, now we'll just go ahead and make our function. We'll call it int check mult, right? And then we'll go ahead and name it int what do we name it? Xanthony, are you there? Xanthony here. Num. Alright, we'll just give it num, right? And then we'll go ahead and add this over here. We'll declare a okay, you know what? We could just go ahead and do this. We could just write an if. Oh wait, I can do this cool thing. Wow, that's amazing. This is why I love Visual Studio Code, you know what I mean? It's amazing. It's just sick. I have a whole ass, you know what I mean? Yeah, anyway. Okay, if you're checking multiple of 3, right? So let's go ahead and make this if num equal no, wait a second. If num percentage, isn't that the remainder sign? Yeah, that is, I think, equal to 0. Then we'll run this code. We'll say printf, and we'll be like, yo, listen man, it's a mult of 3. Alright, and then else if okay, we'll give it saying num 7 equal to 0. We'll go ahead and cut this out. We'll say printf, it's some mult of 7. Sorry. Okay, and then let's go ahead and go to the next line. We'll say else over here, and then we'll just go ahead and say that what do we write in else? We'll just be like print, damn bro, you can't divide with 3 over 7. That's kind of sad. Alright, so it should do its job well, you know what I mean? Let's give it all /ns because we don't like no unformatted things over here, right? Alright, we'll call our mult and num1. We'll go inside of it. Alright, but over here we need to give it a signature, which is our check mult and num1. Alright, so we made the function signature over here. We made this, let's just give it, and then yeah, I think that should do the job, right? If I call it. We try running this on the terminal. Let me save this first. Okay, so let's go ahead and run this thing. Practice 1.c. Oh man, give me a second. What was it called again? GCC practice 1.c, so PR1. We do have a few problems here. Let's go ahead and check that out real quick. Okay, we'll minimize this. Let's just get this all the way here. Open our terminal again. Sorry, this is a mistake. Terminal again. What do we have? 21. We have line 21 problem. Oh, okay. I'm not writing freaking Python. Stop forgetting to leave this behind. Okay, let's go. Okay, try running this again. What we got here? Format expects the argument or argument has int. That is so weird. What do you mean? I'm giving it int. God, my thing is so dumb. Printf 3 or 6. I don't get it. I think there must be some problem with this. I mean, the format specifier is pretty clear, right? What's the problem with the format specifier? It's an int. I have exam tomorrow and the subject is Hindi. Have a great time with that, bro. That is so sad. That's the saddest thing I've heard the whole time. I have a few things to do tomorrow too, so yeah, I'm gonna be busy tomorrow. Got some time to stream today, so I'm gonna go ahead and stream. Alright. There's a problem with this printf statement right here. Oh, okay. Okay, that makes sense. And what else? What else? What else? Sad life, sad life. Yep. It is a sad life when you got an Hindi exam, bro. Like, that's just sad, bro. Oh, that makes sense. Okay, I need to give it an and. That makes sense. I missed that. My bad. You know what I mean? It's a warning. I don't care about warnings. Did make the thing? Yep, made it. P R1. 3 or 6. I'm dumb. I wrote 3 or 6. Okay, you know what? It's checking 7, so let's just go ahead. It's a mul of 3. You know, this is the problem. This is the problem. It did the code. Where is the output of it? Wasn't it just there? Like, I just saw it. I'm pretty sure I saw it. Did you guys see it? Try running again. 3. It's a mud of 3. You see that, right? I'll give it a new line. Change this to 7. And then what else do we have to do? To be honest, I'm excited to go to school after so much time, but the advantage is they said they won't cut marks for spelling errors until there are too many of them. Wow, that's just bro, that's a little cheat right there. And then why was it timed out by Nightbot? Nightbot just shut you down. Give me a second. What the hell? What the hell? Why did it do that? It's a mult of 3. No, I'm checking individually. Wait, how do I change that? Is there like a action that I have to change? Blacklist excess symbols? Yeah, I think that's the thing. Disable. Try using symbols now. Okay, so I'm checking it individually, so we're just gonna like go ahead and, you know, just do that. How about it? Or you could just use, it's asking me if I should show or hide it. That's weird. I think that was way too many, Anish. Come on, calm the fuck down. YouTube's like, okay, hold on, I'm gonna do the moderation for you. It was like, nah, fuck off, Nightbot. How are you allowing this shit? Yeah, so this this is what it is. Just put another elif, dumbass. No, I did that, you dumb fuck. Why do I have to show your messages every time? What the fuck? What did you do, Anish? Did you pick a fight with Nightbot? Wait, go ahead. Change this. This is too much. Blacklist words and phrases. That makes sense. Seven doesn't come when you put 21. That's because it's skipping over it because this is the first one that's right. So that was the if else statement, by the way. So if I run this now, wait, let me go ahead and check here. Everything's right. Oh wait, I need to compile it again. Sorry. It's just a warning. Okay, that's fine. Let's run it again. The 21. Okay, maybe you were right, but hold on. No, you weren't right. So I tried that earlier as well. So that's sad. What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Let's just see the solution. We're getting or over here, not and as well. Wow. What's this dumb shit? Oh, we're just returning the true or false. This is not returning the true or false. This is just like saying, oh. That makes sense. No wonder I was like freaking out over it. Alright. Okay, let's go back. Let's do another one. We can have all these functions here as long as I don't call them. Okay. Okay, is there a way to reduce this? Let's go. Yep, there we go. What? No, that just get reduced, bro. Like, what the fuck? Why are there so many lines for this shit? No, like, then, oop, there we go. That's perfect. Let's make a few more lines. Okay, let's set it. It's kind of weird I have to make lines in this. Because like the other editors I use just had lines. Okay. I mean, it's good practice, I guess. That's one way to say it. Alright. Let's write our program to give us... It's a program to check whether two given integers values are in the range 20 to 50 exclusively. Return true if one or other is in the said range, otherwise false. Alright, so this is a true or false questions, but we're gonna make it complicated, obviously. I gotta learn Java this sem. What? That is so sad. I mean, I'm learning C language, that's even worse. That's literally the most lowest high level language. It's literally a low level language. It's not even like... Bro. Where'd the question go? There it is. Okay. Check range. And num. And my friend tweeted that he just wanted to pass the math exam, and I replied with no. I had C for first sem. I guess everyone has C nowadays. That's nice. Hey Anthony, what's up? Okay. You have to check the range, right? So we're just going like if. Num. Oh, we're just returning it? No, we're gonna make it complicated. Fuck this shit. If num is less than what? Is less than 50, right? And then we'll go and, where is and? Num 20. Printf. The fuck? Oh, I completely forgot there's no Python. Oh my god. Bro. Stop. Stop a bus. Like, get your brain right. Printf. No, stop. Stop a bus. No. I'm not supposed to print that out. God, it's super annoying. Switching languages. Cool, bro. Nice work. Thank you. Keyboard kharab ho jata, don't spit that much. What? Spit? I spit on you, not on the keyboard, bro. What do you mean? Anyway. Check range here. This is in the range of 20 to 50. We'll go ahead and write the else statement for this. Printf is not in the range of 20 to 50. Alright, fair enough. Completely forgot. Gotta add /ns. Guys, don't forget. /ns are important. Never forget them. Okay. Let's remove this. We're not calling check mode this time. We're calling check the range. And then we are including our num1 value. Boom. Forgot to put columns again because I'm a dumbass. And then what else? Alright, this is fine. Control as this. What is this? Are these warnings or errors? Type defaults to end. Is that bro, these errors, man, these warnings, man, is so dumb. Oh, okay. I forgot to change. I forgot to change it. We will check the range. Just give us the number. Dumbass. Alright. Okay. Oh shit, it means like we gotta put that in, that's what it means. No wonder I was like, what the fuck? What is this saying? Never mind. None of them got reduced. Okay. Let's give it 30. It's in the range, right? So let's run it again. Let's give it 56. It's not in the range of 20 to 50. That's fine. That's good. Pro college workshop. I'm gonna do it tomorrow, not today. I'm so done. Today is a free day. Don't bother me. I'll take all the stress I have to tomorrow. We're having fun today. I'm gonna close the AC. My hands are getting close. You mean do it on stream? Should I do it on stream? I can do it on stream, but like If you watch your stream, he'll be like, कौन है ये लोग, कहाँ से आते हैं ये लोग, ऐसे जगह से जहाँ से आप नहीं आते, कौन है ये लोग, कहाँ से आते हैं ये लोग. Okay, you know what? Yeah, that's cringe. You know what? I'm gonna stop. That was straight cringe. Alright, let's write our new function. We did this is alright. Let's just close this then. Oh, what the fuck? I completely forgot. Okay. We did 2 of them. I can do it on stream. Should I do it? Please don't do it. My ears are bleeding. Damn, bro. That sounds like a you problem. What? He made it sound like it's my problem. Like, what the fuck? Go bleed your ears, I guess. I don't know. Okay, write a C program to check which number nearest to the value among given two integers. Return 0 if the numbers are equal. Which number nearest to the value 100 among two given integers. Okay, that's just like difference and which one is the greater difference. I'm just doing that. Return 0 if the numbers are equal. Alright. I think that's pretty easy. Let's go ahead actually. Okay, put in the chat if I should do the college workshop, and if there are two people reply that I should do the college workshop on my stream right now, I'll do it. Alright, 2 3, let's say 3 people. If they say yes to the college workshop, I'll do it right there. I'll do it right now. I have the file right in front of me actually. The only problem with the college workshop is that you need to be very specific with white spaces and everything, and super annoying. It's very annoying. Write a C program to find. I mean, maybe in the near future when we will do jobs and everything, maybe these all will matter. But still, you know, it's pretty. I mean, yes, dude, your stream will be longer. Okay, we got 1 yes. Need 2 more. Let's see program to check whether to give integers. head out. मेरे को पढ़ना है Hindi exam. Okay, go ahead. Good luck for your Hindi exam, bro. Even though grammar doesn't matter. That's the whole point of an Hindi exam, where grammar should matter. What? They're gonna teach a language, we're gonna like, oh, we're just gonna go over your grammar. It's alright. Spelling mistakes are alright. Haha. This is dumb. I mean, no one wants to learn Hindi. Everyone knows how to speak it, so. I see program to check whether to given integers. Why do I always get these ads? Stop. Which, okay guys, choose a number between 12 to 20. Choose a number between 12 or 20. 12 to 20. A random number. We need a random ass number. Give it to me. Are we not gonna get one? हिंदी बोलने का एग्जाम कर रहा था. हिंदी बोलने का एग्जाम करना टीचर्स से ज़्यादा. We speak Urdu, mate. We can't do that. We speak half Urdu, half Hyderabadi, half of everything. It's very weird. Hyderabadi is very weird. Can we get a number between 12 to 20, a random one? No one needs to tell. Just go ahead and go. We'll have to create a random function. Can you randomize in this? I bet there should be something for randomizing. $19. Alright. Pretty good the work you're doing. Where do I get it? I just search it up. There's many websites which give you exercises for doing it. How to generate a random okay, time and r equal to returns a pseudo random integer between 0 and max. Okay. So I'll have to specify random max. That's cool. I don't need to learn that now. We got 19, right? It is a program to test whether a non-negative number is a multiple of 13 or it is one more than a multiple of 13. Okay. Alright, we can do that. Check. Check mult 13. Limit that. Let's take the number as int num again. Let's go ahead and write the program. What do we write inside? First of all, let's say printf. Oh, you know what? Not printf. I have to first of all start off with if statement. If give me a condition, bro. There we go. If num greater than 0, right? It's pretty easy. Then if, let's write another if statement inside. So this is the nested if else, right? If num 13 equal to 0 and do you go for like an elif? Or let's go ahead and copy this whole thing. Okay. If num, what do we say? We'll print out say yes, it is mult of 13 it says it's mult of 13 or one more than mult of 13. Alright, let's give a backslash then. Okay, we don't need to write anything else in this, so we're done. I need to write an else statement though. Say an else statement. What do we say in else statement? We'll go ahead and say print it is non-negative, but it's not mult. More than. Alright. And then we'll say over here, we'll put an else saying I have lessons like Papa kho gaya. Dhoond lo. Look for your Papa, bro. Please don't use a negative number. Alright, so this does most of our job over here. So I'll go ahead and add /1. Okay, we're done over here. We did the function pretty well. I don't think something's lacking. Yep, there's something lacking. Obviously, I am completely dumb and I always mess up at the end. So let's fix that, and then we'll go ahead and take this, copy it here. Okay, and then remove this, paste it here. Let's move this and say num1. Okay. Alright. Let's remove this and we'll say non-negative for lesson. This is what they're doing in the lesson. Non-negative number for what? Checking if it's mult of 13 or okay. This should work for us. Control S this shit and then bring up our terminal. Oh, it works just fine. What? It's giving me no warnings. That's so satisfying. Let's run this. Okay. Let's go ahead and actually give it a multiple, right? So let's give it 26. It's mult of 13 or 1 more than mult of 13. Alright. That's basically 1. Right, so it's true. Okay, let's run it again and we'll give it 27. Yep, there we go, it works fine. And then we will give it -1. Please don't use a negative number. Try again. Yep, there we go. It's doing all of what we wanted to do. Let's go ahead and add this. Let's go ahead and put like 28. It's not negative, but it's not a mult of 13 or 1 more than no, mult of 13. We did it! Alright, this function is done. Okay, we basically got a good idea of how to do the functions and everything. Okay, so I think we're done with this, to be honest. These are the basic things. Check 3 given integers and return true if one of them is 20 or more less than. x, int y, and it takes 3 numbers, right? And it's checking if it's what again? Be checking again. One of them is 20 or more, less than the others. Is this, what is ABS? What does ABS do? Anyone know? What does ABS do in C? Function returns the absolute value. So I think it returns like the. I'm guessing it just returns the. I don't know. Let's just check it out. Should be some example, right? Oh, okay. So it's like modulus. Alright, fair enough. That's pretty cool. I can use that sometimes, you know. It's pretty fun to use. Okay. Others. I think these are the 3 possibilities of bias. Yep. That's how it's done. Alright. It's nice, it's good. Pretty simple. How many questions do we have here? We have a lot, mate. Let's go ahead and skip to 61. Write a C program to check a given array of integers and return true if the given array gives. Oh, okay, but this has like arrays as well. I think it. That's cool. Where does it start? A C program to compute the sum of 3 given integers. However, if any one of the values is with the range 10, very inclusive. 20 inclusive, then the value counts as 0 except 13 and 17. Damn, they're hella specific. Okay, I know how to do this. It's pretty easy. Let's skip ahead. Or we could just go ahead and make it. Do you guys want me to make it? I think I should make it, right? I'll go ahead and make it. It's not that bad. Where is that again? This one, right? And I'll limit specific sum because it's hella specific. Sum. I'll take a num as well. Alright, start it. First of all, we'll do okay. Let's go ahead and make the function. Alright. However, if any of the values we need to make it go through an if statement first before anything. And it uses 3 integers, so num. Let's use a comma b comma c. Alright. If a inclusive means it includes 10 and 20, so we should supposed to go less than or equal to 20, or and. Okay, so we're going and a than or equal to what? 10. All right. The cool thing about this code is that we'll have to check each of the values. So it's a little weird. We can't use if statement. We're checking, and then we'll have to do it. So what if multiple values? If multiple values are like 10 to 20, you know? What do we do if multiple values are going? We could use switch, obviously. Switch here. It can, does it like go through each case? I wonder. Let's check it out, you know. So go ahead and take A, B, C. Can you go multiple, or can you only go one? Is it weird if we go one? Oh wait, I need to specify these as int as well. So dumb. Okay. I can't use this, obviously, can I? Actually, let's check it out. You know what? Case A less than then print out. What do I print out? Print A is less, I mean, first num is less than 20. Okay. And then what if I use case B is less than 20 also? Printf. Oh. And this, can we get that shit off the face? Like, what is this? Can you get off my face? Damn. I like random shit just showing up on my face. Less than. Oh my god, why did I do that? Alright, let's try this out. If this works fine, then it's alright. Let's take this function. We're all here for tests, let's be honest. Testing is what we love doing. num1 num num2, num3. Alright, so we're taking 3 numbers here. We'll go ahead, comma, and num2 is and what the ampersand, you know what I mean? Plus y is this over here. Okay. We need to change this to %d. Okay, fair enough. It's already breaking my brain in half. CTRLS. Okay. It's not reduced to an integer constant. What does that mean? It does not do like calculations side of it. What if I do this? Oh, is this only for like characters or something? Sorry about that. Let me try this out. They have a huge oh, okay, wait, that makes sense. Not compile the code. Oh, okay, wait, let's save it. Yeah, it works with characters. Let's actually do something about this. What the f did I do? Excuse me? Excuse me? Bring that shit back? Excuse me, sir! Sir, what did you just do, sir? Anonymous projects, I guess. Yeah, I'm just doing like random things. If you do have an idea, I'm ready to take it. Sir! Why on this? Why I just named Sharon? What the fuck? Wow. Literally have an account named Sharon, but I thought you were blue. See that. Oh, what the fuck? Why is this on? Oh, okay. Okay, that makes sense. But like, where is the top of this code? Where did everything go? What the hell? There we go. Oh, now it's working. Good. Alright. Let's try and compile this. I can defo spell, but I would just like switch to nothingness. Like from both accounts, what are you doing? What up? Keep disconnecting my headphones for no reason. Actually dumb. What up, Blue? Hey, let's go. She already know what to do, bruh. I'm gonna remove this shit. I don't want that shit, bro. I want that shit. You want me in? You want me in? If let me write a condition inside of it. What do we say?
If we're trying to
What is our question actually? I forgot about it. Where is it? It's 31. I should remember that.
if A
Imagine being cringe. Can't imagine, bro. Shut up, reality. Your little name is reality. What do you mean? It's like a cringe 14-year-old name. Ooh, I have a question. Where do you do this right now? I'll have to use numbers. Do you use binary or decimal? Binary or decimal? Isn't that like some kind of concept used in computers? Why do you use what? Where? When you do this right now? I'll have to use a number. Do you use binary or decimal? As a condition. Like sum equal to 1 or 0. No, I don't use like binary is only used for true and false for me. So I don't say that. I use like return for returning like any kind of true or false statements which will result in 1 or 0. You use that or motherfucking hex. Motherfucking hex is used for colors. Hexadecimal is used for colors, right? I did it in one of my programs if I remember well. I did it in my in my HTML code. Hexadecimals is used for colors. Decimal points are used for, I think, basic numbers, I assume. And binary is used for true or false, so this basically Boolean, you know. Hey, what's up, Shums? If I'll show it to you just now. Give me a second. Okay, so if I go ahead and search up a color in HTML, like this, you see like the color names and everything. Bro, me going India tomorrow. Bye. Why? What? You're going India too? Like your whole family? What? What? Damn, what the? It's very soon, bro. Did you enjoy the 0 ping here though? The whole family, huh? Oh, damn. That's messed up. You can come. You could have come see me anytime, by the way. Like I was so close to you. You can come see me anytime. Like if tomorrow you have free. Anyway, so as I was saying, this is our type of hexadecimals. This goes from 0 to 16, if I'm correct. And binary is 1 and 0. So let me just search up base 10 decimal. Yeah, as you can see, it's basically, if I define it, I would say like, if let's take 873 as an example. So we're putting 8s in ones place, which is 8 times 10 to the raise power 0. I go in your search history. We have nothing in search history over here. This is my complete what do you call Oh wait, this has my oh Google account. Let it go in your search history. Like yeah, I did that. I remember. I thought it uses like my Linux history. Doesn't matter. I'm using Linux right now, so hex is so hard. They're making it do hex. That's kind of cool. I wanna do hex. I bet it's hard, but like I wanna do it. Binary and base 10 is so easy. I would learn it if I had the chance. नहीं मैं बंद करा जरी इधर पहले से. Go kidnap Shams and bring him. He lives very nearby. If A, yes bro. Guys, if A less than or equal to 30. 20, oh my god. And A greater than or equal to 10. And then we'll put this in a bracket actually, because we have to go multiple. No, but we're checking a single value, right? If I'm correct, we're checking a singular value. So if it is, then we'll just go ahead and we'll say it's like coding with hardware connected to it and it's deteriorating. Yeah, oh yeah, you use these like machine code and everything to direct hardware coding or some shit. I don't remember. I read about it, and all of this goes into machine coding. I think you're learning assembly if I'm correct. Are you learning assembly language? I don't know, maybe you are. I want to learn how to do assembly language. It is a sick thing to have in my CV. I just go like, I learned assembly, and they'd just be like, they'd just give me the job. Are you learning assembly or machine code? Yeah, so it's like it's connected to like say breadboards with like LEDs. Okay, then you code it to work. Oh, so you're working directly with hardware. So I think it should be something between assembly or machine code. The hardware, the coding is useless and vice versa. It's embedded systems. Okay, fair enough. So if I'm correct, your code looks something like this, right? Oh, sorry. Oh, why did I say search up assertion? Assembly language. Example code. Does your code look something like this? Sorry. Let me. Should look something like this, right? Or if I may be wrong, I don't know. Assembly language is something that was used in second generation computers. What the fuck that? I don't know. Maybe I thought like this is what you guys were using, you know? My brain will off it. Will off it. I don't know if you're using this then. I don't know. This looks even more dumber. This looks like, look at this. This looks like this. I wouldn't want to learn that. It looks like you're literally. Do you know what UPSC is? Maybe I do. Probably don't remember the. Union Public Service Commission. The fuck is this shit? can learn this if you want. You don't need to learn it. You can have like a sheet or something. This is basically like the periodic table, but with numbers and this. If you learn how to write binary, you can basically write machine code, write hexadecimals and everything. Yep, I guess you know it, right? This is pretty cool. It has all types of hex right here, as you can see. Yep, this is the thing you're using, right? Right here, where you're trying to. Are you trying to? I don't get it. Like, what are you really trying to use it for, though? I see it's IB basic, so it's okay. Yep. So something I know. It's like a thing you're supposed to know if you're programming. I think this is the first thing, like it's taught like binary, and then oh, we have oct as well. Yeah, decimal oct. I don't know how oct is used, but basically it does not have an 8. After 8 there is no 9, 10, you know. It just goes into like 30, 0, 30. Coding in Kale? Kale? What the fuck is that? That's a city, bro. Yo, what the fuck did I do? Kale. Is this the oh yeah. Is this the thing? Is this the thing? Tell me. So literally I was just scrolling up on thumbnail and scrolling up on YouTube, and then I saw a video of these people UPS. Thumbnail, like they ask you a question, which is the most beautiful alphabet. I didn't get it. I think you're learning assembly language. They're fucking you up, isn't it? Assembly language is very messed up. I think it is assembly language what you're learning, but you don't realize it. मुझे मैंने stream कर रहा था. Oh, it must be like C. Is it C? I don't know. Is it C language you're using? I think it could like use multiple things. What is this, man? Why don't people have like normal resolutions for pictures? I had one lecture so far and I want to jump out the window. Yo, that's messed up. Might be. It's similar to C++. Yeah, it is C language or C hash probably. Because there's no way they're making you learn assembly. That shit is like learned by MIT or hardware people, like Harvard people. I said hardware to Harvard, bro. Yo, that's so funny. Kale code examples. जी वो दाल थी खाली अल्लाह मेरे को खाना होना. There's some example of. Does it look something like this? Ebis Ingis. The fuck is C hash? C hash is. Yeah, it's there. I don't know. I've never used it. So. Does it look something like this? This interface looks like code blocks. I'm not gonna lie. We just started. Do you know? Nassau? What's that? I like how YouTube is just like asking me to review like any type of small curse words, I should probably like look into that. It's sort of weird. Still hard as shit, but yes. I hope they're only teaching you basics. They'll probably only teach you basics. Like at least they'll go up to intermediary level. Well, they'll teach it to you till like data types, and I think probably small like programs, like the programs we used to learn back in 11th, if you were in CS, that is. Bread खराब हो गया, खराब है वो, बाद में फेंकता हूँ. Right now it's like basic coding of the hardware. So last time we had LEDs connected to the breadboard, and it doesn't light up unless you code it right. That's so cool. I want to do that. I want to use like breadboards and everything. But I'm just learning how to web development. School CS was easy. Yeah, bro. People don't understand how school CS was so much easier. Yep, I guess we had enough talking. We had a little break of talking. Do we go back into programming now? Watch me fry the breadboard. Hell yeah. How much is a breadboard, I assume? How much is a breadboard? Breadboard cost. Bro, it's $5, $6. Let me just check this shit out. $6. I joined a class in my school where they were teaching how to make a website. I thought it's coding, but then it was like they give you a site where you can make a website. Oh, it must be like some Wix.com or some shit. My uni gives them lol, so I do whatever. I bet they give you, it's like C. It's like $6. The fuck? If you fry one, get another. Yep. Keep frying all of them. Your practicals will be cancelled at least. Rotate. What? By the way, what language were you guys learning in the first sem or second sem? I don't know. You guys were learning a language, or did you guys like straight get into breadboards or something? First sem C++. So everyone starts with literal C or C++. Second sem Python. Alright, Python's alright. But I zoned for second sem. Python is fine. It's easy to learn, so don't worry about it. But I don't know how much I don't know if they taught you like till advanced, because the advanced is kind of you know, like obviously it has more complex code. But yeah, they didn't teach us much. That's fine then. It's alright then. I use school CS to apply elements. Now they just give us assignments and I used to it. Right now it's C++ or C, I'm assuming. Probably. Do you have you can probably send me a picture of the code, I can recognize it. Alright. Let's go ahead and Mm. I don't use my laptop for coding. I use the lab computer for it. I use my IP connector to it for the hardware stuff. Okay. As you know, 2 to 3 screens. Yes, Sonic. Next, Amazon. 2 to 3 screens? What do you mean? Is my IP connected to it for the hardware? You get 2 to 3 screens? What? What do you mean?
What? What the hell?
Mm. Use my lab for hardware and the comp lab for coding. Oh, okay. Some have 2 monitors as well because it's super hard to do with one screen. Probably. I do be wanting another screen to code, to be honest. I'm getting so pissed. Because I have to like have a flowchart on my right side. And left side I need my code. So I could like work on it while searching up what I want to on the same screen, you know? I don't want to keep switching between 3 to 4 tabs over and over. It's super annoying. No, right? Code is relayed, bro. Code is relayed. I don't think this will work. This code what I'm making right now is not gonna work, definitely, because I feel it will just go ahead and do some dumb shit. After that we need to add them all some new code. I'm pretty sure it's not gonna work. The code is right, but I feel like I have very less confidence on this code. Let's see what it does, to be honest. Okay. Control S. Okay, we do be having it though. Okay, we have it everywhere. Alright, let's try and run this. Our terminal. Okay, that was good news, I guess. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 7, 6. Alright. I mean, it does the sum, right? It does the sum. Alright. Just go ahead and backslash n. Okay. First of all, let's imagine lab sheet stuff as PDFs as well. So annoying to do with one screen. Yeah, that's definitely there. That's super annoying, to be honest. Okay, this should give us the output of 21 plus 32. Okay, so let's see if it does it. Oh, you know, that works. That works. Alright, alright. Fair enough. Oh, we did not keep compiling it over and over. Okay. It works, the code works, right? But I need to check if it works with like multiple numbers. So 11, 20, 32. Okay, it's supposed to give me 32 back. Fuck, it does not work. It works with only this. Alright. Okay, let's try and change the code a bit. Kind of very curious because in Python this does not happen. Alright. Let's try and go for 3 if statements. Trying not to mess this up. Let's go for the same. Let's go. Okay, my method works. Anish is a bitch. Alright. Okay. We went for if statements instead of like else if, because if it gets one thing right, it just skips over the else if, you know? It's pretty dumb. Anish is a bitch for doing that. Anish said like use elif, add another elif. I'm like, what? It's not, that's not how it works, bro. Like I don't know where Anish is, but I want to grab his throat and I'll be like, yo, this is how you're supposed to do. Let me go ahead and change the other function as well. This should have worked just fine. I don't get why it was not running. There must be something to it, you know? It should check both the values, not just one, you know? So I did this. Okay, let's remove this and add our check mult back with which takes only num. Alright. So let's remove this both. And we don't need these both. Okay. That should do the job for us and we'll be able to run it. Okay. Okay, I forgot to save it. Bro, getting no errors is so satisfying. Oh my god, look at, there is no error after, there's no warning, nothing. It's just there, you know? Okay, let's enter. If it's a multiple of 3. What? Oh, okay, I get it. Okay. Alright. Wait, that's not right. If condition. What condition do we go for? Alright, you gotta go for a condition. Be like if num equal to 0 or num 7 equal to 0. I could have just copy pasted that. We're going not equal to, right? So we gotta make brackets around these both. Alright. Let's give it a exclamation mark. Oh, sorry. So what it should do if it's not any one of them. So if it checks if this is true, and if it's true, we'll go ahead and check this, and if it's true, check true, and it'll make it false. No, that's not supposed to happen. Oh, okay, I could just go like. I could just say that. Let's control as this. Something wrong here. Oh, that makes sense. Have an extra bracket for no reason. Right. 10. Okay. That works just fine. That's how we want it to work. Alright. Let's go for 12. No! Why does it still show that? It's not supposed to show that. Let's go and, you know. Save that. I think this should work. Should work just fine. Let's go. Let's go. This works. This works. This works. Fine. Fine. It's at 21. It's a model 3. It's a model 7. Yes, we're doing it. Okay. This felt so nice. Obviously, we have to check it once more if it's working. Yeah, this is pretty cool. This works. It's fine. Let's go. Okay, we got 3 functions over here that we made today. 4 functions actually. Wait, 4 functions. As you can see, these are the functions. How long did I stream actually? Let me just check how long I streamed. Streamed 1 hour 42 minutes. I mean, we could go for a little while as well. You know, do some little binging linging. We can definitely have some more. Alright. I think that's pretty much it of our. Where did we do it? Till 31, right? The next stream we'll probably do till like. We'll start from 37 and then I think we'll probably like go up to how much the arrays works as in. So we'll probably write these codes and everything. I'll just check one. I want to be like a little curious. Does this use pointers? I wonder. Int a1, size of a1 size. Okay, takes the size. Elements said original array R, and then this is so weird. Are we like? Oh, okay, that makes sense. I think we're checking like bytes or something. I don't know. Oh, there's a different function to print an array. That's weird. A1 comma array size. Int result A1. Yes, A1, A12, A13. What? I can just do that? That's illegal. That's illegal shit. He's doing it like forcefully. That's so weird. Not supposed to do that. Piece of shit. Oh, this is a function for printing it out. That makes sense. I'm like, what does print array? I was using this. Array. Yep. Size. Yeah, I guess he gets it. It's printing out with a for loop, right? That's what I learned back then as well. This is cool. This is cool. Size is. Does size give us the amount of shit in there? So this could be like 4 bytes. 4. That'll be 16. 16 divided by 4. So give us 4. Oh, okay. 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 I see that. I see that happen. Okay. Alright. That's one way to find out the array size. Bro, this is so much easier than like our Python. Way too easy, bro. Okay, now that we're done with this, I assume we should yeah, I guess we're done with that. Then void. Did we always see that? Taking the middle elements from 2 given arrays of each length 5. Okay. Array size 1. Alright, array size 2. We have a function named print array over here. Okay, we're not using any other function. Alright, that's fine. And then we have int result 812, which is this and this. Bro, that's so weird. How? This is super weird. Cause like we're not using a function to find out the middle number. And it could be like anything, you know? So I would recommend, you know, printing out the size first, and then depending on that size, we will go ahead and find out what do we have in our, what's the middle one in our, you know, place. So we could go like, oh, if the size is so and so, go ahead and find us the middle element. That should not be hard. These guys are making it look dumb. Size of result. Alright. So we're printing out the middle values of each array. So middle elements containing them, make a new array. So we're basically printing out -30 and 30 together. It's fine. I guess that's one way to forcefully do it, but I wouldn't recommend learning that. Very weird, to be honest. We should like learn how to take elements, you know? I know how to take elements. It's pretty easy, not bad. This is alright. I think we use for loops here in arrays. I know how to do each of these codes, but we're probably gonna practice it on our next stream. And we should probably like skip ahead a few because we're doing too many questions. Even though I did like only 5 questions today, we should probably go ahead with the different approach every time. Alright, I think we get it, and it's pretty cool. It's pretty late as well. It's 1 AM right now over here, probably gonna end the stream here and see you guys tomorrow. What y'all say? Do I end the stream here? I'll probably end the stream here. My brain is kind of messed up at the head right now. Okay, I'm gonna go here. I'll end the stream. Thank you for watching, everyone, and it was an amazing experience coding with you guys, and probably in the next stream I'll be answering a few questions related to anything. Obviously I won't be able to do now because I'm gonna end the stream, but I could do that in the next stream. So see you guys later and have fun. You guys are amazing. Thank